Home sweet home. No, this is not my condo, but I get to do some more service repairs for you. Do you remember this room? This condo? I did some other stuff in here before. What did I do before? Look at, here's my list on an ace bag. Hey, whenever you need a piece of paper, just improvise if you have to. Sink pop-up, yep, I fixed that. Jalousie window slats, mini blind pull knots, clean carpet, microwave light was out, touch-up stools, coffee table, etc. Hinge stop, cap missing. What else? Door stop missing. Here, door stop missing. Change rusty door stop. Adjust bifold top wheel. Secure back door mini blind. That's all the stuff I did last time. And if you want to watch that kind of stuff, it's on my YouTube channel, of course. Now, what do I still have to do? AC timer. Main room is sticking, so I have to replace that. Guest bathroom door sagging. Master toilet loose at the floor line. Bathroom sink is dripping in the master, and 2 towel bar ends missing. Now if you want to watch that stuff, stick around. Now as for this list, I might make an entire video for all of these things, and I may also make separate videos of each individual thing. So look for those different things on my channel. Kaboom. Now, let's get busy.